What's up, guys? What's up? This is your boy Nkubi the Entertainer. Today we are here at Madaga's place. I heard a lot of people saying it's been long since they saw Madaga, so he's not available, he's not around. When I come here, I found him gone. He went to buy parts for other cars. He's busy, he's a busy man, he's working. So yeah, when he's busy, I let the guy be. I let the guy work. Remember that this is his bread and butter. Unlike me, I just wake up and then I start vlogging. That's why most of the time, when I find him busy, I just let him be. Anyway, Madaga is busy with something. Thank you for joining the channel. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. I'm having so many views. We should be on 100k subscribers. If we are on 100k subscribers, guys, by the end of this year, I do anything that you like. You want me to dance naked? I'll do it. Guys, let's get to 100,000 subscribers because these videos are getting so much views. I mean, how can a video have 50k views and then we are not even on 50k subscribers? Guys, if you watch this video, just press subscribe. Let's leave this joint thing, put it aside, press subscribe so we can be on 100k by the end of this year. But let's reach that goal. With you, I can do it. Let's go straight inside. Hey, they're working on a golf. Whose velo is this now? A velo build. A velo build. A velo build. Away. How are you, Baba?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine, man. What's up? What are you doing to this one?
I'm trying my best.
You're bringing it back to life.
No, I'm trying my best.
I know you. Don't worry.
Yeah.
I know you. Very soon.
Do you know this guy?
I'll be racing it.
This guy?
Yes.
You're a white man.
Yeah, my white man. Yeah. Sure, white man. Fede. Eh, Baba. Amo. Ra race amo. Rashian refejam. Call out. I wanna race this golf. I'm calling it out. Eh, this one was sitting nicely under the tree. Tobela. This one was. Yeah, I'm trying to remember this car. I don't know it. Baba. I'm trying to remember. Eh? Ne? Yeah, ke bono re. Nanga ichiya watsiba. Watsiba. If it's for sale, ababulele. What's a my unusual bago make mo ba tileng ka gona.
Na tara dublele figures to.
Oh. Ai ha the apple. Esh wa bana ring e. Dingkhatha gampe. Guys, I love this ring. I want it with that black thing. So yeah, this car seems like it's been chilling. Nothing has been happening. Hey, what is going on this side? Hey man. I'm concentrating on golfs there. I don't see that. You way. Daga base. Madaga and Naira. Shayala. Hambanjan. Kamba. Kamba. What is this one? RS3 or S3 or TFSI?
S3 Malumi.
Yeah?
S3.
This is Germany. Yeah? Yeah? I want to see what this car is. S3. Yeah, ne? Madaga. Man. When a man, you're gonna leave us very soon. You're gonna leave us, man. You're already working with S3s here. Man, we are not gonna last here. Guys, Madaga is not going anywhere. He doesn't want you to take him. He comes and does your car and comes back. Yeah, comes. These people, ne? They want you to come and fix their cars, but when we talk of the budget of going there, because it's a trip, someone needs to fund it. He must fund it. After I tell them the money needed They run away.
How?
Hey, they run away.
They ask you to don't answer them.
Eh?
You mustn't answer.
Yeah, I must start by ignoring now. When they say you must come and fix my car, I just say blue chick because I know they're gonna run. And they don't know that there's nothing you can't do. You do everything. Doesn't matter the car. Right now, S3 is here. Wait. This is the previous S3 which was here. So what happened? Because the last time you fixed it, it was nah.
They killed it.
They crashed it. Fresh kills. Guys, there's nothing wrong with Madaga. The driver. Madaga was done with this car. The driver, they say he crashed straight. Yeah, check this fender. Check this fender here. You see the fender? You see? He crashed it. He crashed it. So people will see this car back here and they think, hey, job is not being done well this side. This car, they crashed it. But after here, they should drive it nice.
Thumbs up.
Yeah. Hey, I can't wait to see you done. And guys, look at this size, the size of this disc. Yes. Did that Golf start? I was around, man.
Around who?
I was around Kasi at home.
City.
Yeah?
You're just chilling at home.
Man. Went home, came back, stayed, shot there by Mbango.
Then?
Yeah. If you don't find me there, find me here or at home.
You need a boat rush.
Naira, what's that?
Aircon.
Aircon. Oh, aircon pump. Aircon pump. Like booba. Start. Aye. Yeah. Why? Oh, why rail? You got ya. Hi. That's how you check the brakes. Accelerate, brake. Yeah. Aye. It's grabby. Hola. We're preparing the brakes.
Bomba lang.
Welcome. Yun.
Alele. Bombati. Audi.
Why blue? I blew it. Hey. So just spray lady caliper. She just spray lady caliper.
Terrível.
Keep on, man, Baba.
Jangan. Oh.
Keep break booster.
Eman, berbus tay potri.
Iko beri.
Tahu. Berbus tay potri. Mana potri itu? Oh, tu.
That's why they are right. RS3. The guy who has been saying, where's Madaga? I haven't seen Madaga in a long time. Here is Madaga.
Punya harus terus.
Ah, still nak kesto kamu. Flat kaya urus lekam.
So utafanya mzuri. Fijo.
Ini kuat.
Watch!
Kiro.
Eh?
Kiro.
No, ndio unafanya kwa mchini.
Tisha lucu pele 2 minutes.
Para tishini.
Kupala tisha lucu pele.
Ko gram pam. Very soon.
Amuba.
Upinja no pinja. Ishara triva gu. Ishara break fikia. Roro, karoro.
Salibo fa. Kawiyona. Power bar. Makes everything possible.
Kupana mdimisho.
Ram khoja. Watsitsi. Yethagulu khoja. Phijije ndewari wathapamba ka party kwa ishukuma. Agar ke lo review no ir. Ndi shara.
Eine Plinge.
Eta.
Emma.
Shafile. Oh, no keep him.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep it.
Punya punch. Ready talk. Kachaba lo belala ntwe.
Ilo tumfamula mu.
Tetwe belala ko bende video ushara.
Ah, wabulela lokolo. Lokolo nchabo wena.
Yeah.
Rebeta ba ya the entertain.
Suru ko faka ko le mugarata ko le skono ya le mugarata.
Nyoko chala Audi steering sama. Nyoko chala Audi steering.
Na re ka sa tuile.
That's why I like it. Ega 1.6.
Eh?
Ega 1.6.
Abai ke. Ya ga ba.
Arushiana.
Yeah.
Arushiana.
Wana ndibonya ka tshile
Ah, mona ma bane robile koloi. Ene de sule.
Robile.
O di shopo.
Wana ke bathe R1.
Ah, mona.
Oh. Wa trenda panyelo so. Wa trenda. Ake ke shopo mara ke ibona ba. O di mana ke R1 ke la bua. Hello Robile.
Oh, this guy wants that.
O Robile.
O nyaka ya ntrefel.
Noko. Oh.
Oh, that's why you are walking, my man. Let's go see how you break your cars. Emina, where's your car? So, there's this Golf which was busy hitting R1s. Remember the Golf I once raced? Awe. Oh. Nah. Guys, this is the car which was busy doing R1s and whatnot. I think it's broken right now. He came here for fixing because last night he was enjoying. R1's there by the shopo. He'll come back and start it, and we will clearly remember this car. Yeah, there's this video which I was when I was racing this other 2 liter. It's this one. Click the link. Click this link so you can see the video when I was racing this car. So how's it? Sharp. Go fit le max one. Yes. I get blind. Ke be ke le KP. So re bile go lemon. How do you feel? Awa. Ntho e lena ba nna ke nyaki ba. Lena le ya ngesetsa re ke nyaka inject. Lena le ya ngesetsa. Pelo ya eng?
Ya inject.
Wa choose. O tlo so aba ntho ke tlo e reka motho o busheletsa ga.
Grao, na gre.
Bushele.
O nyaka inject.
Wa ipotsa re ke nyaka inject.
O a duma.
Wa nkgethela. Motšhino ko o namela mo wena o ka se to kgona le o bolela.
16 fula.
O ka se kgone to bolela. Motšhino ko o namela mo ka le jipa.
Wa kwa. Mara o tsenya.
A bila ka sta thadia ja o re ke shia. Awa.
Weekend is going to be massive.
What's happening?
O togela mat.
Na kitha kwa a isa starta ndo.
Emon. Ya go funke fana.
Roshiana. Roshiana. Roshiana bot.
Tsapane ke re go fulla mo.
Do ba thaka mpa ma yo maskonto. Mononyo ka moricho.
Wa bo fa.
Mara ntho e tswa ga rammetwane.
O bole jo ma shi.
Motho go bofa wa gona mara pala go bofolla. Mola go bofolla bothata.
Wa re ka rammetwane.
Like a change is serious. Now these guys, you just remove the front, and the car is frontless. The car is frontless. Daga base. Guys, we've been missing this guy. Here he is. He gained.
Awa.
Wagan. Ke ba botse o rileng ke ba botse
Ke a gana.
ke rile go tetšeng e wa reng wa gana dilo tse di serious wa re o nyaka e bomang
Sota ntwaela wena. O ntse ke bofa. Ntse ke bofa.
Rommeton
Ha le ke duela ka.
Rommeton o ile o tsere le fenda e gwatisitse mato
Go diano ba. Ai ba fani. No golla.
O stantorone.
Wena.
ke bone wena skino to ngwa le status gore na ga na e ra o kae banna
Mama. Are.
na e ra o kae la ke tsegile kudu karabse kana
Era go ai.
a o le motho wa boneng wa ga naira e bana
House ko munyaka ta spirit ke di condom ba fana.
e ke fita go wa ga naira
Mpuja
hey talk tell us about who filled the condom Ishabu baba o a ke a namela sure ke mangoro ngadime koloi ke mauwe koloi a re gadimane today we're testing drive. I'm just driving this over feed. This car smells good. It even has stock speakers, guys. This car was just chilling wherever it was. This car was just chilling. It just needs someone who's gonna drive it fast. Guys, even the windows are working, don't worry.
Sharp.
Kigara manji. Kinele white man, nikamolaka no wana kuwa. Bye bye, baba. Gole ya fasam.
That's as far as.
I like this car. Clean, compact. It's your typical 1.4.
It's 1.6. Are you sure? That's a good job.
Strategy and yeah, the roof lining is guys, I'm not even gonna talk about the roof lining. If the seats are still intact, I don't talk about the roof lining. Tswele malume. Tswele wena. This guy is driving nice. Ay. Tswele malume. Kabriki.
Yeah.
But Gulog, only the brake has the guys, everything in here. I play. Tswele malume. Roing. This car is even switching on the light when you open the doors. That's how fresh it is. Fresh. This is a new build. You guys are gonna see it. Gonna see how far it's gonna go. First. Oh, it's this one. This one has this boring exhaust. The normal standard exhaust. The one which is doing is this one. Murobi le mokwepa. Murobi. Oh, is this the sound of the knock? You can hear, guys, it says this. You hear it? R1s. But your tires are slow. Silimpi. It's 5,000. Yeah. Crank engineering, rings and bearings. It's a Mayaram Bintro way. Why you? maoto ana ke a masese
ayo ka no chala o ka no toko wa chala velu we change
bona nna ke nyaka e le so wa bona e le so ka re itse ke lo ke le lotse le tse di black mo di cap tse a ke re ta manola. How is the build going? Puleng man. Puleng man. Bra puleng man.
ruta Madaga ka matsogo
Aua.
le bomela
Ke bafana ba o ka moka batho bana ba bra puleng dumela.
bona rapule mo latseng ka ai
Engine down.
you want to appear
Engine down. S3.
oh yeah man chinga mullo tino
Monel taposhi.
Ishe pelenyana.
e makolle mole o di twe
kanto moch
S3 engine down. Brapuleng o fithile o tlo le bontšha gore engine a S3 e DY.
loche di tumile ka nna Madaga ba dota mo lefaseng ba nkreya ke dia fotsa ke
Yeah.
Madaga no go tsara dipau e mmer go Madaga go dipau o bitsa
Oh,
nna
so.
ka o tlhoka ka o dia ene o dilo le Madaga
go triple.
e Madaga go stripulla ke ngwana mama o bitsa nna ka tja o tlhoka tja o dia ka se bodie mo o ja chess tja di tsamaisha le chess jaaka ke jaaka le ja senkgo tja manyasha ke jaaka le tja manyasha
so nani nga sibereka mmereko khale
ai go ka so bereka ngwana mama nna le manyasha ke rena ba
Go
gift
triple la fa.
no triple
Timing di wato.
wena to be timing
No talk.
ke ba zonate ma 61 di died
Dabat.
are zoni tiaso
Nyugo ba manyasha.
kiri mazoneti jikan
Your mind is going to explode.
mazoneti kiri jikan
Bagakolo ba dieng. Mona ntro muno ka ta ibolela mo dula mona ntro we mo.
o mo tsara ke class plate
close speed guri or go ocean
ke ra ona o na di o tshwantsa ba class plate
ish digo mo
o mo tsara
ish
ona fela khona ke nyoko sa mone man rungile kwa awa ya getse
I see.
mpa tshwantsa khona ke go
Ice.
mpe mpa tshwantsa khona
Ba I see check what you.
Gentwa.
awa ngakinyana
Okay.
Even living.
Thanks.
Ungadile.
ke morao
Ungadile.
ka bone ke tsamaya motho mo bua go mo
Ai ha red le red. O bona re betha convoy. Red le red. Yep.
o go tselela ya
Awa. Asenna.
a so ene go
ke yena o
o ke ngwana thari
o tshaba manyana
o dirang
o tshaba manyana ke mo le na tak impiale pore we dige
o nyeko bona mathaga ke mmeke
a ba tsa bide go manyana
mathaga
awa akara manyana mo fe
e botse
ewa
mathaga
o re molatile
abo tlola la piso
o lapisa o
abo tsa no sa
o le tsamaya ka lebus
o dire mo ditan awa na
awa o latile sho ba ba wile
ma
sho ene ba latile Madaga ke re le swantse le re o re lo shiana o re lo shiana o re lo shiana sho mfana sho
abo go ngwala e tsere go bedi sa ba ka ba ka mo ka ba ka
a ke ka
ara aga barbu ara
oh ke mali bitso la
bije bat e bona ka maska aska
ya
naka te ka bolo tsana
ya
e sala ngwalo aga barbu ule
ya aga barfu
aga barbu Erdule. Ebule. Mbaro kumfana.
ya wa mchaba
Aba kumusha akara adese. Lumada. Osama.
tswele wena project is coming along good but they sprayed the exhaust as well
kumeta na wa mchaba
Atem. Ake muteu.
ya
Kupere. Mbaro motor na kitu akae. Aku awa osara biriak. Biraga widu. Mbaro mada.
Nanga utala tre.
Aba bule kutata tawo.
Nga utala tre ya sio.
Thank. Bule kutata tawo. Otata tawo. Kwa kare. Bana.
bene ya na utswa kae
Ezimbaga.
o chaba ma
Akorumbezi.
o chaba ma
Ebra bada. Mfano awaga.
Mfano waga. Ape bona wara. Rona le mosadi mo mo feme ya re.
Oh,
wa morata
eke mras.
mo
Mosadi o mo bo.
wena le rel dia
Yalo no mthetsa motshilo.
Ayo, kumkerela lake. Awa, abo ka
Motshelo
maska.
kwa nama.
Ni mutolo kire.
Wena kwenama
Lena.
lela
Wa ro ntera.
ele nama
Lugod.
likota
khoshi le kota
O dula kae?
Oh, no tere. Wa take. Chikwa matala o.
wena utswa kae
Kalomo. Abo jiga swake.
ya batho ba buleng
Bifara gas koter.
batho ba buleng
Awa ga so betsa. O nyaka nyalo ka no monyala. Lo ja o dia wile.
Kumkerele tele.
o re o nyaka monna
Kumkerele kwa mapepe mama.
Ntele.
Sure.
Ntele. Mosadi o.
Eh.
O nyaka monna ba se banna.
Awa.
Le nna re paletse. So re nagana o fa wena.
Ke ma awa.
he
A o monna.
amnyaki
Ke mabana.
A o monna na.
na
Algo algo. Malho.
Eh, o ntja.
Malho. Agora va. Mtang. Malho.
o re Madaga
Wa ga roda ka ya nyalo. Motho nyaka nyalo.
onyo kanyala
let me see what he's calling me for because there's just a lot to do this side. RS3 getting rings and bearing bana panisha ka ban
Punisher.
e khale ke mmoni damane
Kuse. Aya. Aye msukubona.
Buti bathatha corona yongikhanjile.
ntsha masipa
Ish uthomile ka urogana. So inchiwe nge-clutch ka engine yona ke bona it's engine down. I mean engine hanging. RD engine down. Engine hanging. Nile re hey re driver the engine ke eng she I think it touch fast. It's engine floating. Ba re reile. Ba re engine ya Golf car. But you are driving it. Abatse re no go race. Mo be re se anjola se re ja. Someone a comment I want to see Madaga. You want to see Madaga la sa di selo even when he's eating. What's okay? Wala go shoot am fetulo. Le go le busy so go shoot. Abanye la ona ditaba ona se di sonje ba khathi. Abanna ba le ba go. Banye go no mmona, mona ne mona so re go cheese boy mona mo. Oh, I can afford. I withdraw. One. Some country. So inyane so. Kuba o litsa nla godimo. O ka betha last drop. Last. Sing sample se sa di tswitswa. O ka se di selo. O ka ta ka mmere go nga replay.
Audi wetsano kwa.
Yeah.
My happy.
Kole nngwe le nngwe ka mo. Le M4 ka nightish. Instead, if you don't believe it's an RS, no S3, not RS3. Guys, this car still fresh. Oh, just the day she finds drivers who want to do pedal flat. This is someone's first car, and he wants to put it here, on 300 here, on his first car. You can imagine. This is someone's first car, guys, and they already want to put it flat. So you can imagine, that's why it's coming here. Hey, ke moshile kudu, o reng ke moshile kudu. Oh. Nna ke no nyaka nore wa bona motho mongwe le mongwe ka mokgono a nshiang ke gopela gore le ge ke to gopela gape ke gopela o to shiana le ska la gana motho mongwe le mongwe ena ile a shiana le nna ge ke to bua gape ke ra re shiana o ska gana o ska uno tšwetša pele
Ana mara ga ganna
mara hine ke ne IC wa
Ke rata di ice.
o ra di ice
Re ke arabe meya.
Mayor.
petrol ba me.
anti-hijack
Ba senar tawara bula di insurance company tša di engine ra tshara da. La tisha mo yore insurance ai tšana bona re ya ja ka pele. La ta sa
wa ye swantse tsa my mothari a reile
Ra re tsa ma.
mothari reile Madaga. Today we are driving, right? Yeah, night shift. Those car guys, when you don't stress Madaga with payments, ne? Stress Madaga with payments. We won't sleep. You see this shade? It's here and there's a light there. We don't give you night shift footage, is it? But if you don't pay, your car will camp here. Camp first.
Madagas place.
Yeah. But if you pay,
The storage.
Madagas palace.
we have contacts of those people there at Audi. Tell them, can we have water pump?
Aye, but so good.
Ke happy. Ke happy.
Anke ke nna wa bogumete.
O rotsa mala mosadi.
Yeah.
Mosadi o re ka re wa rara mo motse ya le ena ga gago. Aya. Jalo mosadi o tša monna wa ya le ena ga gago.
Yeah.
No.
Eh.
Mosadi o.
Wa ke motse o
Wa
ka.
no tsamaya le nna. Anke re kwanne.
Yo lo khoa.
A o nyaka lekgowa?
Aba mara le kwa nna ja. Le kwa nna.
Wa tsamaya.
O ka ja di botutu mosadi shugo. Ke tla motsa.
Bo.
Hey. O tshwereng ice. Ice.
Mono wa petla tapa maswetse.
Test drive.
Wena o fitile ngwa rotsa mo. Ke ana rutile mo. Kwena o rutile mo.
Anja go he. Yo, come raf. I wanna put Thank.
O ronyo go metal ra gona.
O to bo.
O ronyo go metal ra gona.
Oh, I think you're mad.
Tomulang. Ke o rata please. Ya so. Re sel thapile go tswalla yona. Sanjere le phomela.
Car is leaving. It had problems of braking, so remember this car was it's still fresh. So now right now it can brake. He's still gonna work on it. It was from a paint job, and yeah, Evan Puli. So yeah, these are the cars of this place. Jeepers. That one came because it had a bearing knock. It has a knock. That guy, not a bearing knock, but a knock. He's stressed. Look at him. He told him that they want 5,000. Rich man of knocks. Mahua mago. Rena di tshwana mona re gatile accelerator re fithe bua mona. RS3. Guys, this engine has
Femi, Rumu.
Centra South de Khan.
Sentra.
Plus mtho ne mtho mo nyala statra sa Centra se bolanga so. Ya ke ntse tara sa ka nna.
Lelelang go kolong ya ge la mona.
This car has many bolts. Yes, sir.
Da, intwe. E dia kaka.
Yo kaka.
Go go tikoting ela ke tsamang ka ona e white.
BM.
The SCC.
Idio sure ile ba eng.
Awu, ai dile. A o reila kwa se go se.
Ke yona.
Yo na montle mo. Ba ke khale monna. Ke mo polokwaneng ke lla rere.
Madaga ta ibereka.
Engine down.
Yeah.
Ha o bia se go tshwa ke o change ne ba be kana mkhono ba o nche gearbox once, o nche gearbox.
Yeah, mara mfano wa bereka man. Give him his flowers while he's still alive. No matter how far the flowers.
Ke go liga wena ntho ka go moraga go polo bona something a fly wheel ke tshephika ka mora boat ka bonete
China ke eng mon. So many chains. There is no way fly with the line.
fly wheel ka so
That's the only fly.
what's the ideal I feel it I will try weird in a party jepe
oh ke yone ba re ba e bitsa
dual mass what yeah so ba no
ka kere yane ya le
o ka kry le ona ntwane mare ke nyaka gore tlhatlhamollo pele
o bone pele
ee o bone pele go dintsha 15,000
15,000 for which car? Let's go see it. Let's go see it. He has to buy that thing for his car as well. Let's go and see his car. I think it's probably parked outside. He said it's a white CC, so let's go check it out. He owes 15,000 just for that thing car. This one. So yeah, he said there's a sound, there's a knocking sound. It's not a knock like that, guys. Golf. So yeah, not like that one. The knock is not like that one. It's just, he says it only happens when the car is idling. So Madaga is telling him that he might be needing that clutch. So yeah, let's go and tell him the bad news. It's not bad news, it's bad news for him, but it's not really bad news. You heard him, he took the S3's clutch plate. That, I don't know what's the fish, the clutch plate or whatever. That thing, I don't know. Nah, I'm just here learning. So he might also need to put it in his car as well. 15,000 real CC. 15,000. These cars are expensive, guys. There's so many chains in here. Guys, does my car have a chain like this? Even one at least.
chain ya gago
Eh. Etrenyana at least. Mona go lena le chain mo. Get one EJ. To. Get a timing. Eh? Timing ya di chain. Yeah.
this thing has trust trap
So Audi re ba le show ba dia koloi ba ra a no motho a to itshwara a ba tsebe Madaga barao no one is going to touch this car, don't worry, it will be very difficult. Aye. They have no idea.
This guy
Hello?
is leading the songs of Sions here.
Ke mo Madaga bo.
Tomorrow winch.
you trail and train guys in bo
Winchi.
ntwe ya ish
A ke tsebe ke a shooter. Dintsha. O bona ka deden. Esa.
le ka bua morago mona
Sharp, you know what tarta bona re ka jofte. Sharp.
yana
It's call time.
sure
It's call time.
yeah mukai
Action. Action. That man not action. Eh, ka bolela bar. Ba ro mo ga or action. Action. Ke mo how. Action. Action. Eh. Action. Chuku chuku chuku. S3 is not child's play. You'll look, chain number 1, chain number 2, chain number 3, chain number 4, chain number 5, and chain for just wearing a chain. The kind is 2 chains. Minatana. Our man. People like a bit naive from feet. Trogar on feet, you know. Go on board. Like a time, come to all the time. My feet. It is chaying. We'll see you tomorrow, Mfanaga. Let's continue tomorrow when I find this car driving. Yeah. If you drive it by midnight, then come to my house. But I'm gonna hear you because you drive like. I'm gonna hear you. Ne? You must say bye to your people, Madaga. You must say bye to your people. But these are your people, man.
Bye bye, people.
Yeah.
See you tomorrow, ne?
Yeah. As well. But it. Or you are not taking care of him. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is all we have for this episode of Custom Filters, which is the hottest cafe event. I need to leave. Oh, someone said it's coming, so I can't leave yet. But yeah, this is the last time you see me. From Ingubi the Technicalities, it was Minano.